Welcome everybody, this is challenge 4 and this challenge deals with tabs and indentations. This challenge may be a little bit more complicated. Maybe if you're the kind of person who messes around with Word every once in a while, this can be pretty frustrating. So with this challenge I'm going to go a little bit slower than normal just because you might get stuck if you're not really paying attention. All right, so what I want to do is I want to, first of all, add indentations into the cover letter here. So I'm just going to put my cursor on the right, at the very end, or the left, of the I am exceedingly interested paragraph and hit the tab key. Now the tab key by default will indent your text ½ inch, which is what we're looking for. So I'll do that with this paragraph as well, and then this paragraph. All right, so now our cover letter is looking pretty good. I'm going to scroll down to the resume. The next step is to select all of the text in training and education. And what I want is I want these dates here to be over here at about 6 inches and right aligned. Now, we could do some things where we like try to tab everything over and get it to line up properly and eyeball it so that it looks good and, you know, that stuff, but that's going to be a little bit complicated and it's not exactly going to work the way we want to. So we're not going to play around with that. We're going to make sure it is exactly where we want it to be. What we're going to do is select everything here. And then over here in the top left-hand corner, we have our tab button. Right now this is set to a left tab. I want to change it to a right tab. That's a center, that's a right. So I can have a right tab. Now what I want to do is on my ruler, I want to just click right on the 6. Now notice I have this right tab and it's set right for the 6. That's exactly what I want. Now when I go down here and I put my cursor to the left of the 2008 and hit tab, it takes it all the way over to that tab area and it aligns everything to the right. So this is exactly what we want. Boom, boom, and boom. So now that looks pretty great. With a couple of clicks, we actually made it look really nice. Okay, next step, select each job description under the experience section and move the left indent to the 0.25 mark. So I want it to be 1/4 inch instead of ½ inch. So I'm going to go to each job in the experience section. So I'm actually just going to select all of these. Oh no, I want the job. I just want the descriptions. So I'm going to grab the description here. I'm going to move that over just a little bit. Okay. And actually I'm going to select the whole thing. Control Z. There we go. Boom. There we go. So we have a nice little thing there. Slide these over just a little bit. Oh. Let's actually just select this here. Oh, I don't want that. Gross. Yeah, so I guess it does. I do want to do this. There we go. No, I want the first line to be moved over with us. So let's do that. Okay. So yeah, it's just a lot of playing around with the sliders. Let's move this first line over as well. Okay, perfect. And we'll do this one as well. We'll actually just grab the first line and the second line. The other thing we could do is reset this. We could, we could grab this square here and move it all at the same time, which is probably what I should have done in the first place. But now that looks pretty nice. So now we have our thing formatted. We have our resume formatted exactly how we want. So go ahead and make those changes, save your document, last name, Word 4, and then upload it to Canvas. And I will see you in Challenge 5. Thank you.